If you're like me, you want to be a successful leader as soon as possible. In this video, I'm going to share with you 5.5 of my favorite leadership hacks that have helped me become a better leader faster. These hacks are really simple, but they can make a big difference in your career. Welcome to the channel, Leadership with Mike. On this channel, I help you become a more confident leader, and I do this with no nonsense sense, if that makes any sense. And before we dive into the video, if you want to take your leadership skills even further, I've got just the thing for you. In the description below, download my free guide and unlock invaluable tips that will help ensure success in no time flat. Okay, let's hack our way to success. First and foremost, building trust with your team is essential. And no, bribing them with donuts does not count. You need to show your team that you trust them so that they can trust you in return. Be transparent, communicate openly, and always have their back. This means telling them what's going on and why. If someone is downplaying your team's efforts, you stick up for your team. Trust me, they'll appreciate it. Now listen, as a first-time manager, it is easy to doubt yourself and your abilities. But here's the thing. Your team needs you to lead with confidence. Even if you're not sure what you're doing, fake it until you make it. Now, slow down. When I say fake it, what I mean is fake your confidence to yourself. Don't fake the job. Don't pretend to others that you know a job that you don't. But trick yourself into being confident. And don't be afraid to make mistakes along the way, because that's how we learn. Next hack is that you need to set clear expectations. Setting clear expectations is crucial for any manager, but especially for a first time or a new manager. Your team needs to know what's expected of them. They need to know how their performance will be evaluated and what goals they're working towards. So be clear, be concise, be consistent with your expectations. And bonus point, don't be afraid to ask your team what they expect of you. Don't be scared to ask this question, because you may be surprised at the answer, and your team has probably never been asked this question before, which will set you apart and sets you up for easy wins. Next, listen up, managers. Your team has valuable insights and ideas that can help you and your business succeed. So don't be a know-it-all. Don't dismiss their opinions. Take the time to listen to their feedback, their ideas, their concerns. And remember, your team, they are the experts here. So hear them out. And who knows, you might just learn something new. Number 5 is be a support system for your team. Your team is going to encounter challenges and obstacles along the way, and it is your job to help them navigate through those rough times. Offer guidance, resources, and a listening ear. And when they succeed, it is your job to be their biggest cheerleader. This, in my opinion, is the definition of a leader. Now, here is the point 5. Is I want you to get help with your communication. Now, this is a point 5 because I want it to be our little secret. If you want to maintain strong relationships with your staff and ensure that emails are communicating the right message, tone is key. But how can you make sure you're always in the right tone? Jasper. And with AI-powered content improver, all of this becomes a piece of cake. Write out what needs to be said. No matter your state of mind, you're upset, you're angry, it does not matter. You put it into the content improver. I'm getting chills because it's that good. You put it into the content improver. You set the tone or the feeling for your message delivery. You hit generate, and voila, the perfectly crafted message every time. This is our little secret, and if you want to have 10,000 extra words, use the link in the description below. Now, implementing these strategies can help bring about positive change so very quickly. And you'll be able to climb the ladder of success much faster and enhance your leadership skills significantly. Having knowledge about how to use these tips is the key to unlocking your true success. Now, if you want a real life story to see how these hacks work in reality, watch this video because I explain how one of my bosses scared the bejesus out of me, but made it all work. And if you haven't already, hit subscribe.